Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Silverman here, Outsource Chief Investment Officer, Outsource Chief Financial Officer, with another session of Come Learn with Me. We've got a pretty large social media network platform, and we curate a lot of articles during the week, and then whatever does well, scores well with shares, likes, etc., on our social media platforms that we read them together in a Come Learn with Me fashion. So kind of think of it as research, doing a research report. So this one came up last week, Journey to Investments in Space-Related Companies. Are space exploration, space recreation, and the military transformation in space opening investment opportunities? By the way, folks, before I go on, you've often heard me talk about our mini LinkedIn groups, niche-based investment groups. Take a look down below this video and you'll see a link to all those groups. The one in particular that this would really relate to would be our Defense and Aerospace Investing Group. Take a look at that. Just a plug. Okay. NASA has aggressive plans to collaborate with commercial partners to establish a presence on the moon. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are successfully moving forward with their own services beyond the Earth's atmosphere, and Space Force, which is approaching its third anniversary, is experiencing a growing budget allocation from Washington. If space is the final frontier, does it deserve consideration as part of your portfolio? Could the timing be right to explore the possibilities? Last year, 2021, there were several spaceflight-related records set. This includes the most successful orbital launches in a year, most humans sent to space, and most orbiting Earth, all at the same time. Launching more equipment with or without passengers into orbit opens possibilities for many companies, large and small. The big companies like Boeing Aerospace, which is developing the Starliner spacecraft for travel, and Northrop Grumman, which is developing the Cygnus spacecraft, are huge companies. So space missions and travel will be just a small fraction of their business. Meanwhile, smaller companies, even those with various related lines of business, stand to experience a greater impact from increased launches, travel, and military design and implementation. Companies do not have to build the rocket or space vehicle itself to benefit. There are launch operations, this is where I am, folks, communication data, satellites, computer system design, etc., all critical to providing successful mission. Smaller companies in this investment space have been underperforming the S&P 500 so far this year. Whether this means they are on the launch pad and headed to the moon with a new pace of activity, or they will continue to sit idle for some time, is never known with stocks in any industry, but this sector is expanding while so many others are shrinking. Who are some of the smaller, more interesting companies to discover? Maxar Technologies, MAXR ticker, is a space and geospatial data provider with full range of space technology products and solutions for both commercial and government customers. Maxar's solution includes satellites, Earth imagery, geospatial data, and analytics. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, KATE, provides engineering, information technology, and watertight solutions to the U.S. Department of Defense. Kratos is a U.S. government contractor that operates through two segments, Kratos Government Solutions and Unmanned Systems. Kratos Government Solutions segment offers microwave electronic products, space and satellite communication, training in cybersecurity, warfare, modular systems, turbine technologies, and defense and rocket support services. The Unmanned Systems segment provides unmanned aerial drones and unmanned ground and seaborne systems. Here's Kratos' current price. Okay, let's take a look at the chart in a second of Kratos, maybe. Rocket Lab serves commercial aerospace contractors and government customers. The company was founded in 2006 and went public via SPAC in August of 2021. I wonder how that's it. It provides launch service, spacecraft design, and other spacecraft and non-orbit management products and services. Rocket Lab also designs, manufactures, and sells small orbital launch vehicles and satellite platforms. They are developing an 8-ton payload class launch vehicle. And let's see, Momentus serves satellite operators. It's a smaller company that focuses on providing in-space infrastructure like movies, in-space infrastructure, and in-space transportation and entertainment, right? Hosted payload and in-orbit services, current price $1.85, market cap $154 million. Let's see, Kratos' market cap $1.63 billion. I will come back to that. Takeaway, there's been increasing buzz Lightyear around space travel, work being done on improved internet communication from space, exploring Mars, and expanded military operations from the heavens. this increased business and increased intention is on an upward trajectory and could potentially take some small companies' prices with it. Well, you know what's going to be a big, big industry, let me tell you, and that's going to be mining in space. Mining astronauts, mining, what do you call those things? You know, those big rocks that float in space, mining them. Gosh. Okay, let's check out the KTOS chart. Okay, guys and gals, so here's a good example of why you always need to just look instead of just look quite obvious to see what's happened to the share price here since 2020. Let's get a longer day, so for over 5 years. Yeah, I mean, it's benefited from this whole bull run marker, runner from $10 up to a high of 30. So it's a 3-bagger. Let's just go max. Let's see what happens there. Okay, so it was obviously a penny stock back in 2003 for a long time, so not much can be gleaned from that. And let's see, since it's high in January of 2021, February, just before. No, that was 2020. Okay, so from there, February 2021, it's gone down to $12 from a high of $30. So really gone through quite a brutal market. So anyway, not advice, but just interesting nonetheless to see how that gels with the commentary. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that. Greg Silverman out for now. Subscribe and like. Take a look at the links down below. Give us a holler. Take care. Bye.